Yeah, Rob Hughes, Training Centre Direct. Today's short video is about a lift engineer and what they do, career prospects, etc. Lift engineer are people with, we like to think they have a relevant qualification. It's usually the lift industry recognises an NVQ, although there are some other training courses that exist. A lift engineer would have an NVQ level 3, for example, for lift repair or installation. Lift engineers earn good money, okay money. It does vary depending upon what company they work for, and I would expect them usually to have been in the trade at least sort of 5 to 10 years. Somebody who's got an NVQ or lift repair engineer would typically be about halfway through the lift industry journey. I hope that's been a bit useful to you. Just a quick turnaround. I'm by the River Thames today. See the boats in the background. Lovely part of the world. I hope that's been useful to you. Please give me a call if you want to discuss further, and I'll speak to you then. Bye for now.